The next tool is not a specific website, but a general concept of being part of communities that deal with cryptocurrency trading. And social media platforms are the places where you can find good ones or even create one of your own. When you join high-quality social groups, you have the chance to keep being up to date with everything that's going on in the market, as there are always people who know first things that others don't. Learning from others and contribute by sharing your own knowledge is a great way in which everybody in the community benefit. And many times you will find yourself connecting with people, developing friendships and even business collaborations. The importance of social media is huge, especially in the cryptocurrency industry, where the communities themselves have the power to influence the market, as often they are the first to react to any speculation about currencies they deal with. You will find out, for example, that when accounts that have great amount of followers talk about certain currencies, it drives actual movements because many people listen to them and act according to their recommendations, speculating on what they say. Now, I'm not going to get into particular names as there are so many of them out there, and choosing crypto communities is very individual. Everyone have their own preferences and style for communication that they feel comfortable with. So at first stage, I suggest that you join as many sources as possible. Just make sure that all of them provide objective information and don't come to spam you by pushing you to buy their services. You can find value in large groups and in small ones, in signals group, news, and even discussions group. Just keep an open mind and try to focus only on the ones that you feel that actually offer extra value. There is so much information online that you have to be selective and kick away the worthless ones. The most important social media sites where you can find tons of valuable information are first of all the traditional Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube platforms, where you can easily join communities and follow influential people and companies' accounts. In addition to this, you can find great value by using reddit.com. This is a spam-free, high-quality environment for valuable discussions and information. Another channel you can definitely use is Telegram. If you don't use this app, I suggest that you join. You wouldn't believe the amount of interesting stuff you can find there. The advantage and disadvantage is that it's all done anonymously. So many scammers try their luck there, but as long as you don't tempt to do anything stupid, you will find a good platform and a source for information and communication with other people. And lastly, I want to mention Slack, which is also a good tool. This is a cloud-based software where you can find different channels organized by topics and get into the most relevant ones for you.